Before we begin this video, I'd just like to let you know, so we are not showing you where to connect the OBD due to the fact that in every car you have a separate location, different models, different places to put the OBD. So if you want to know where to put your OBD or where the plug-in is, there are multiple YouTube videos for each model of the car. Simply just search your model and along with where is the OBD port for this, and you will find what you're looking for. This is simply a video on how to connect the OBD once you have plugged it in, and nothing more. Thank you. Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to connect your OBD to your device. So what you want to do, first things first, is go onto phone to obviously access Bluetooth, or simply click apps, then tap Bluetooth over here. Once you're here, make sure to click onto settings. In every unit you want to go to settings. Once you're in settings, locate Bluetooth data service. Once you've located that, tap onto it. Once you're here, tap onto go, which is right at the bottom. Perfect. Once you tap onto go, please click onto Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. Give it a little bit of time. One of these numbers will turn into obviously OBD2. So if you pay close attention, one of these IP addresses or whatnot will turn into OBD2 once it's recognized. So once it's recognized, tap onto it. Give it a moment. The password is always 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you put in a password, click OK. Perfect. It has connected. So what you want to do from here is click onto apps. Scroll down to your Talk app. Tap onto it. Give it a few moments. Once you're in Talk app, tap onto adapter status. Once you're here, give it a few moments. Perfect. Once that turns off and it's back to normal, click back. Turn on your car. Once you turn on your car, you can look at the revs by accelerating a little bit. As you can see, it does work perfectly. Once you're here, you can simply, for real-time information, you click onto that, and other adapters and settings are there, but that will be all in a separate video.